Welcome to the fast-paced, exciting world of side hustles, where your passion becomes your paycheck. Today, we're exploring different ways to generate additional income and suggesting some products that could fill your pockets. First up, dropshipping. This e-commerce model lets you sell products directly to customers without holding any inventory. Popular product categories include fitness accessories, beauty products, and home decor. Next, affiliate marketing. Promote products or services you love and earn a commission on every sale made through your referral link. Digital products such as ebooks, online courses, and software subscriptions tend to offer higher commission rates. Then there's print on demand. Create your own designs and sell them on a variety of products from t-shirts to coffee mugs. The best part? The printing and shipping are handled for you. Finally, consider digital products. From ebooks to online courses, digital products can be created once and sold repeatedly. They're cost-effective to produce and deliver high profit margins. Remember, the key to a successful side hustle is passion, patience, and persistence. So find what you love, take that first step, and start your journey towards financial freedom today.